就把我的心还我，你用爱换走青春，我还留下了什么什么？如果你还爱我，就什么话都别说，就跟我一路狂奔狂奔，不要想太多。痴情不是罪过，忘情不是洒脱，为你想的是心也没有什么结果。到底为什么都是我的错？都把爱情想得太没现实，太诱惑。到底为什么让你更难
？Review CSV scene of CMSCAPP. First, we open Visual C++ 6.0 and open RPG2 from C drive RPG demo and open the DSW file of RPG2 and go to see the original programs okay or not. In here, in addition to FNAC 710, we add 4 more CSV mechanism. We'll discuss later on. And then open the S model from D drive CMSGAC and the data folder, the corridor. And then parameter launch the 15th animation Udon. Few seconds later, the 15 Udons will running towards the right direction. Now one more, in addition to the previous version, is the message. As we press the left button of the mouse, you will see a FNAC 710 robot mechanism 2 appear on the screen. As 20 seconds later, this string will automatically disappear. The purpose of today's topic is try to disclosure a new functions supposed to put in front of message, which is used to clear the screen, actually the internal buffer of RPG2, and let the user of RPG2 can reload the CSV scene or S model or animation. Not only clear the internal buffer, as well as reset the original data of the variables. Then let's start it from talking about the program of message. The program in here, the message is ID number is 65532, and let's open in the Winman CPP 65532. As the message type, the program will stop at this line to set breakpoints, because right now we are in decoding by means of Camtasia. We can use F9, the keyboard's function key F9, to set the breakpoints, but we still can use insert remove breakpoints by clicking this symbol, breakpoint setting. Then we can start debug, go. As scene input, to open from C drive RPG demo data, we will open FNAC 710's CSV on the screen, and then we type message. The program will stop at the breakpoints. The message number be altered to 9999 instead of keep original 65532, because the circulation of frame. If don't change the menu numbers, the program will coming in again and again, display the same message. And the message count original set 0, so this condition will meet. The program will jump to here. To here, the original message number is 0, now set to 1. That means the message number 1 will display on the screen, and then the message count will change to 1. Next time, press message, the message count 1 meet the situation. The message number 2 will display on the screen, and the next message number 3 will display on the screen, and the message number 4 next, and message number 5 next. After the message number set 1, then the program will jump to this line. The message mode original is 0, as set to message number 1. A message number 1 will display on the screen. Then the program will jump to begin scene. And after begin scene, the animation and S model and the flower and the CSV model will rendering on the screen. The program will stop at this line. In this line, the original setting, the delay message is 5000 divided by 1000 is 5 seconds. The message number we right now is 1, so the program will stop in here. The program stop in here. The original text 1. Let's see. Original is space. It's nothing to display. So after sprint F text 1 and FNAC 710 robot mechanism 2, the program will stop at here. You can see this line being copied into text 1. The text 1 has some characters. FNAC 710 robot mechanism 2 to be displayed later on, and the delay time setting to 20 seconds, and then the program will visit this line. To here, use text font to print the text. The text is FNAC 710, etc. At this position, SY positions, with width 1080 pixel and height 40 pixels at the center of this square, with the color RGB with the green colors text. And what is IDX and IDY? The traditional setting is standard. X width of the screen is 1024 pixels, and the height of the screen is 765 width. Like this screen we are displaying is much higher resolutions, so we use IDX and IDY to differentiate from the standard resolution of the screen. Then let's to see the definition of IDX and IDY. IDX and IDY is specified. The style is integer. The initial value set is 00. And in the routine initial, using get full screen, then we use API to get the width of the displaying screen, the value set into M width, and the height of the screen set into M height. If the M width not 1024, the difference between the widths, the M width minus 1024, is IDX. The IDY is the M height minus 768. The result feed in IDY. And in here, the text 1 will display at the X position. 1024 plus IDX is current screen's width resolution divided by 2. That means at the horizontal positions at the middle of the screen. And the middle still has to minus 540. That means the original point move to the left. Why 540? Because the displayed square in the horizontal width is 1080 pixels. The half of 1080 is 540. That means from the center point, move half the width to the front positions. X position supposed to is here. And the 768 plus IDY to make the height of the displaying screens, and divided by 2 is to find the middle points of height, suppose in here. And minus 20, the 20 is half of 40. That's the way the program finding the location of the string. The program setting DT center, the direct X will adjust the string displayed at the center of the displaying square with the color RGB. This is G, that means with green colors characters display on the screen, and the display times 20 seconds. Then cancel the message to 0. Okay, that's the way the message does. Then let's stop the program, and to do the copying the new functions from CMSCAPP, first of all, we hop the screen to let RPG2 programs at the right side of the hub screen, and then open Visual C++ 6.0 again to open second Visual C++ 6.0, and still half put in left side, and the file open workspace, open the CMSCAPP program from D drive from CMSGAC and CAPP CMS, and open DSW. Then new, where's new? The new is defined in menu. New is here. Then in RPG2 we use insert resource. No, not this one, because this is menu. We have to open resource view and open menu. We try to insert the new in front of message. How to do it? Simply put a cursor on the message and press the left button, and then press insert key to insert a space in front of message, and put the mouse cursor on top of the space and press the right button and choose properties. Then we can copy everything from CMSCAPP. The ID number 65518 and the caption new. Okay, then we can copy the program from Winman and search 65532 and copy, of course, here first, and copy from else if. Oh, this is the message. The message we have to copy new, not a message. 65518. 65518 in here, new. So we copy from else if until the bracket here. Copy and go into the Winman. Find the beginning of frame and search menu number to the end of menu number, and insert the copied instructions. Just put at here, past, and try to give a space before else, and the menu number without X. Another one is here. Then we have to remove some variable unuseful. The IO, no IO, the surface, no surface, and not the line stations. So here we meet the very important to remove the mesh object and animation internal memory. Let's see the name of the CSV objects, not the room objects. Let's see. It is character objects. So we have to change the room to character. And then the mesh without ES and only one dimension. The object without S and only one dimension. And one more is we need to clear the character animation. We have to copy from here to the end. That's it. These 3 for CSV. We still have 3 for S model. The S model, we have to add X and a real of each variable, and we have animation. The animation, we have to add A and a real. So these 9 instructions is the main purpose as new for memories cleaning, but we still have to reset the original constant data variable. The number object X initial is 0, and in here the file name only 1, not a 6 station, not a 9 stations, and GXCFG file only 1 dimension, and this 9 station has to be removed. And renew for teaching we don't have, and tool we don't use, and assembly we don't have, and the machine TU47 for polish and grinding only 1, and robot 7600 only 1, and robot 2400 only 1, and robot modes only 1, and not this one, not this one. Okay, the number rooms of CSV objects without dimension, NORM without dimension, and we don't show any NC root on the screen, and we don't run any program. and we don't trace anything, and we don't display X, Y, Z, A, B, C coordinates on the screen, and without conveyor, and without I/O, without drawing anything, and this M room without dimension, but this one defined in here already, so we have to remove, and P9 ST without station as well. So that's all. Then we save all, and then rebuild all. Fortunately, zero error. Then we can run. Go. Start it from scene input. From RPG demo data. The first one, input FNAC 710 robot. Display on the screen. Then we press a message. The first message, FNAC 710 robot mechanism 2. For 20 seconds, this string will disappear. Then we clear the internal buffer of the screen by using new. Then press scene input to review the mechanism 3 of CMSCAPP, which is robot ABB 7600 robot. And then press message once. ABB 7600 robot mechanism 3 appear on the screen. "20 seconds later, this string will disappear. Then new to clear, and then use scene input. The mechanism 4 is ABB robot 2400, and press the message, or press twice. The clip of the mouse seems not good enough, so we use new to remove, and the scene input, the mechanism 5 RHN. This one, 5-axis cantilever robot mechanism 5 of CMSCAPP, and use new to remove it. The last one is MS5 new. It's a 5-axis swaying robot. MS5 5-axis swaying robot mechanism 13. That's all. Ending.
就把我的心还我，你用爱换走青春，我还留下了什么什么？如果你还爱我，就什么话都别说，就跟我一路狂奔狂奔，不要想太多。 痴情不是罪过，忘情不是洒脱。